All right, this is how to download a picture or image you have on Gmail into your laptop. First is to launch your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit gmail.com. Okay, if you have been logging in with the web browser, you'll be taken to your inbox straight up. All right, that's why I'm here. Then the next step is to locate the email that contains the picture you want to download. So here is mine. I will click on that. Once you click on that, you may need to wait for the page to load fully. Okay? Once it loads fully, take your cursor to the picture. All right, you will see download button. Click on that and it will be downloaded. Then this here, I need to still download it. So I'll still click on the download button. Alternatively, you may need to click on the picture first if the download button is not showing here. All right, when you hover your cursor here, if you are not seeing this download button, you can click on the picture for it to open in a bigger way. Okay, once the picture opens fully, just as you can see here, you may need to hover your cursor around that page, all right, to see this download button. Just click on that and wait for it to download. Once it is downloaded, you will find the picture in the File Explorer downloads section, downloads folder of your laptop. These two pictures have been downloaded. Let's get to the File Explorer to get them. So I'll click here and I'll get to downloads. All right, you can see two of them here. It is that simple. Okay.